On today's menu is a very quick and easy chickpea recipe. You can call it Aloo Chana Masala or Chana Aloo Masala or Kabli Cholar Ghugni or Kabli Cholar Torkari in Bengali. Welcome to a new recipe in Kalosona channel. For today's recipe, I am presenting you Chana Masala or Kabli Cholar Ghugni. You can have it in breakfast, in dinner as well as for snacks in the evening. So here is me tasting it. This is the before and after pictures of the chickpeas, before cooking and after cooking. Heat oil in a wok. Once the oil gets heated, add the whole spices. This is the bay leaf, the cardamom and the cinnamon. Stir them in the hot oil for around 30 seconds till they release their flavors into the oil. Then wait for a few seconds and in goes the potatoes once the oil turns hot. So stir them over medium hot oil for a while and cover them. Add salt and turmeric. You have to stir them every time you add anything because otherwise it would not mix with the potatoes. I am adding a little bit of turmeric also, and now you give them a good stir and you cover them. Fry them in medium-high heat and from time to time uncover them and give them a stir. So I am covering it and uncovering it from time to time. They are done once they turn golden brown. Take them out before they turn absolutely brown. They are more or less done and soft. Now let's start frying the spices. There I am taking cumin, coriander and fenugreek, that is jeera, dhone and methi. These are whole spices and in they go into the hot oil. Fry them and stir them, and also adding 2 dry red chilies for flavor. Now stir them again in the hot oil before adding the cut onions and the ginger. I have kaddukast or grated the ginger for better flavor. If you give a paste of ginger, the flavors are lost, so this gives a unique taste. And also I have added very small chopped green chilies, 2 to 3 in number. You can add as much chilies as you would like to eat or make the dish hot. I am adding a little bit of oil because in order to fry all this onion, you do need a little bit oil. Give them a good stir and cover them for getting them fried. Here are the spices, the salt, the coriander powder, the red chili powder. These are the spices and the turmeric. Now cover them and allow them to simmer in the medium hot oil. There the onions have already started changing their color. So now I am adding a little bit of water or a splash of water as you call it, so that the spices are not burned. Do add the water only after the onions have changed color. Here the onions have become softer and golden in color. Allow them to simmer in this water for some time so that they become all the more soft. Add the potatoes along with this and mix it thoroughly, and again let it cook in this spices for certain time. Now I am adding these chickpeas which have been soaked overnight by me and then pressure cooked till they become almost soft. Not absolutely mushy as you can see, but they are soft to touch. There I am adding the boiled chickpeas which have been kept by me. Strain out the water before adding them. I am adding the boiled chickpeas to the spices. Give them a good stir and mix everything together. Up and down, you mix everything together. I am not using any tomatoes here. Tomatoes they have sourness in them and they usually make the chickpeas hard. So I am avoiding tomatoes or any sour or acidic ingredient. You give them a stir and cover it, and from time to time you uncover them and again stir it. This is how you have to go on cooking the chickpeas till they are soft and absolutely mixed with all the spices. So I am giving them a good stir and testing to see whether the potatoes are done or not. Yeah, the potatoes are almost soft. Still, I covered them and keep cooking them. There, you can see the change in color, and now I am adding hot water. Do not add normal temperature water, add hot water, which helps the chickpeas to become soft, and allow the chickpeas to cook in this hot water along with the spices till they come to a rolling boil. I'm covering the dish and allowing it to boil and simmer inside it. There, the boil has come. You can see it has come to a rolling boil. If you want to see recipes like this in my channel, please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. To all my new friends, please like, comment and share if you like my recipes. Now do a tasting test or a taste test to see whether all the seasonings are correct or not. I have added salt and no sugar has been added in this. Last but not the least, I am sprinkling the dhone pata or the coriander leaves to give it a beautiful flavor. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe and let me know in your comments how it turned out. I would also like to incorporate any advice from you all, so please enjoy and let me know. Thank you all for watching.